Hey everyone, in today's video we're going over episode 6 of the trading series of $1,000 to $10,000. So in this video we're going to look at where we're at currently, what things that we can improve on, and what things we're going to be doing moving forward. So here's a little spreadsheet that I made to compare the portfolio when we started out and the portfolio we're at right now. So the portfolio that we started out with the current prices that we're at right now, since everything dropped a ton, we would be at $421.35. And that is with two coins doing decently well compared to the rest of the market, with KNC and Elrond. And our current portfolio now is worth $641.37, or an increase of 52.2% for this portfolio. With the whole market going down, we were getting close to like 1,500 at the peak with this challenge, and then recently, I would say we were around $1,100, $1,000, and then the past 2 weeks with the whole market going down a lot, we've gone down quite a bit because altcoins have gotten hit a lot harder than Bitcoin. So our portfolio is worth $641.37. And now a couple mistakes that I made in this portfolio were I had a decent amount of USD from trades that were made, and I just put it into certain coins. Like I think Aave, I bought some around $160, which now it's like $80. So that's gone down by 50%. So one of the big things that I've learned in this challenge and in all the challenges that we're doing is patience. Now it's something that you can't just have a flip of a switch and be perfect at it. It's something that I'm going to continue, and we're going to continue to improve on with time. But that's one of the things that I am working on, and I'm trying to figure out like strategies that we can use to be more patient and to know when are better times to use the USD that we have on the side to enter the market. And so the portfolio is pretty much all altcoins as well. And that's another thing that I wanted to talk about, is being diversified and having some Bitcoin in your portfolio. Being all in on altcoins at the time of this, I think, was a big mistake, and I needed to have some Bitcoin on the side. And I've heard the saying where your money can be made in altcoins, but it's kept in Bitcoin. So basically, when you're making good amount of returns in your altcoins, you should be holding on to some Bitcoin with that profit. So then when the market does have big corrections like we've had, you can maintain a lot of that growth in your portfolio overall, and you won't be hit as hard. So for example, when we were at like $1,500, if I had even a third of that in Bitcoin, this portfolio would probably worth an extra $200 to $300. So we could be at like $800 to $900, which would be a very big difference down the line. And then what you can do at that time is you can use that Bitcoin to get some more altcoins. It's a lot easier said than done, because the emotions play a big part, and you're like, oh, I want to get into the next trade. And something that I've also learned is when you have successful trades, it makes you kind of want to jump into the next one, but you got to be more patient and waiting for good entries. So here are some of the recent trades that we've done. So the first one is VeChain. We sold about 200 at 0.0 or 7.85 cents, and then we rebought that position at 5.4 cents, and we bought back 278. So basically we made 78 VeChain from that. And since VeChain's down a lot more now, it's almost at 3 cents or so, so it's a lot less now. A couple other trades was Aave. We sold 0.2292 at $253, and then we rebought at $208, and we made about 0.05 Aave from that trade. And then storage, we sold about 28.52 at $1.37, and then we rebought it at $1.02 and made about 10 storage from that trade. And then the best one that we've done recently is ZRX. We originally sold 45.39 at $1.10, and then we rebought it at 81 cents and got 61.56. Sold it again at 84.9 cents, rebought that at 74.8 cents and got almost 70, and then we sold that again at 82 cents and rebought it at 70.3 cents, and we got 81.72. So from these 3 trades alone, we almost doubled our ZRX position from 45 to 81.7. So just one more 10% trade would be a double in this position, which is pretty awesome to see. And so if you're doing a couple trades, like these were like 30% or 20 something percent, then your positions can quickly add up. Same with storage. I think we had a trade before with like, I want to say like 20, and we had another 30 or 40% trade. So it got up to 28, and now it's up to 38. Another one of those trades would bring us up to like 51 or 52 storage, and then just continuing with that process. So moving forward with this challenge, like I said, I really want to be better at being patient with my USD and also accumulating more Bitcoin. So as with this portfolio grows and these altcoins perform better and we have more and more trades, I want to be funneling some of that money into Bitcoin to just be holding. And then when we see opportunities like this, like when the market goes down a lot, Bitcoin won't take as big of a hit, so that would be a perfect time to use some of that Bitcoin to buy these cheap altcoins. So I'm excited to see where this goes moving forward and to see us back over $1,000 and hopefully getting to $2,000 sometime soon. And if you haven't already, you should check out the other previous videos in this series. And thank you so much for watching, and remember, as always, keep it in the green.